In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit mobile version Webflow website builder. We'll walk through how to use Webflow's built-in device views to optimize your site for tablets and phones without constantly resizing your browser or guessing. This approach is faster, more accurate, and keeps your styles organized. Start with your project open in the Webflow Designer. At the top of the canvas, you'll see the device icons. These are your breakpoints. Click them to switch how the canvas displays your layout. Remember, styles cascade downward in Webflow. That means changes you make on desktop affect tablet and mobile, and changes on tablet affect mobile but not desktop. Keep this in mind so you don't accidentally override something you want to keep. Switch to the tablet view. Here, refine spacing, typography, and layout for medium screens. If you used multi-column layouts, consider stacking elements or reducing the number of columns. Adjust margins and padding so sections breathe without forcing horizontal scroll. Scale headings and paragraph sizes for readability, and use relative units like percentages or viewport widths when appropriate. If an element is decorative and clutters the layout, you can hide it at this breakpoint, but make sure important content remains accessible. If a change should only apply to tablet and smaller, make it here rather than on desktop to preserve the cascade. Next, move to mobile landscape. This is a great checkpoint for tight horizontal space. Review navigation first. Open the menu and confirm the trigger, alignment, and overlay. Behave nicely on shorter but wider screens. Convert any remaining multi-column blocks to a single column. Ensure buttons and links have comfortable tap targets. And compress large images to prevent overflow. Check that grids and flex wrappers don't force content off screen. Use wrap and min width settings thoughtfully. Keep type sizes legible and line lengths manageable. Then switch to mobile portrait. This is the most common view for visitors. Prioritize clarity and touch ergonomics. Increase spacing between interactive elements, keep headings concise, and avoid tiny text. Make sure forms are easy to complete with a thumb, and check that any interactions or animations still feel smooth on small screens. If you need micro adjustments unique to this size, apply them here so you don't affect larger breakpoints. Throughout this process, rely on Webflow's device icons rather than manually dragging the preview. It ensures you're editing at the exact breakpoints your site will use. Take a final pass through each view to confirm consistency, then you're all set. Congratulations, you've optimized your Webflow site for mobile the right way.